Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. AWS Cognito is a service that provides authentication, authorization, and user management for web and mobile applications. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of integrating AWS Cognito with a Python application. We'll cover user authentication, user pool setup, and demonstrate how to interact with Cognito using the Boto3 library. AWS Account, make sure you have an AWS account. If you don't, you can create one here. Python, ensure that you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from python.org. Boto3 library, install the Boto3 library, the official AWS SDK for Python, using the following command. Go to the AWS Management Console. Navigate to Amazon Cognito and click on Manage User Pools. Click Create a User Pool. Configure the user pool settings as needed, example pool name, policies, etc. Click Create Pool. Make note of your user pool ID as we'll need it in the Python script. Within the user pool you just created, click on App Clients in the left navigation. Click Add an App Client. Configure the App Client settings and click Create App Client. Make note of the App Client ID. Replace your _user_pool_ID and your _client_ID with the actual values you obtained in steps 1 and 2. Save the Python script and run it using your terminal or command prompt. This script demonstrates user